Page 259, 260, and 261 are here for us to go through. These are kind of fun. These are word problems that set up a variable for you to answer questions like, John is twice as old as Kylie. And we're going to set up an equation that is in terms of Kylie, K, John, twice as old as Kylie, which is 2K, will then equal their combined age of 33. So we've got 3K equaling 33. If Kylie is 11 and John is 2 times Kylie, he is 22. See how fun those are? So the next three problems, Brenda is 3 times as old as Holly, Jason has 5 times more marbles than Dan, and then there's some car and truck problems on page 261. If you can make up your own problems, challenge problems, do so, and work with a parent or another student to come up with some fun ones. All right, good luck. Answers are in the back.